What are those cookies for?
Santa.
Santa?
Yeah.
What else are you gonna give him?
No.
Nope. Where's he gonna come down?
In roof.
Down from the roof?
Yeah.
What?
That's me. Whoa, wow.
Are you real loud? Is it being your present?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's get the milk. Come on, get the milk. The milk. You! Come here.
This is for outside.
That's for a snowman.
This I need berries.
Oh, okay, we'll get batteries tomorrow.
And,
Here, come, let's get a glass of milk for Santa.
okay.
Come on, open the refrigerator. Come here.
I need this sign. See the sign?
Nope.
I need to buy for this too.
Okay, we'll get batteries tomorrow.
And some too.
Yeah, let's come here. Which milk does he like? The whole milk or 2%?
2%?
2%?
No.
I think he likes their whole milk, the red one. Right?
Yeah.
He's pretty chubby. Here you go. Put it down there. Which glass are we gonna use for our milk? Heather? Any glass? Heather?
Hey!
Mama?
Mama!
Oh, we'll use one of your cups.
Okay.
Want to use this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put it in. I'll put
Wait,
it
I'll help you. I'll help you. Come on, like this. Like this.
What?
Ready? Let's pour it in there. Oh, that's enough. Okay, cover the milk. Hey, put those back on the plate. Mama, come on. Okay, now bring them over here.
You.
Pick them up.
You.
All right, come on.
Oh,
Take that.
You did it, Alex.
Wow.
Here.
Come on. Let's go put them over here.
and table.
No, on the fireplace.
Down the chimney.
You can put them by the fireplace.
We'll put them right here. Santa will come.
Carrie Collins, really
Come, honey.
Carter.
We'll leave these for Santa, okay?
Okay.
Probably people don't believe the play.
Santa's gonna come and eat them.
When you have a guy that can run the ball like Johnny Carter
All right, come on.
at that time, and Carrie Collins.
How this do it? How this do it?
Here, go stand by the cookies.
Alex, spokojną noc.
Come on, Mom.
All right.
Show me the